Hi everyone, welcome back to in this quick guide. I will show you how to fix the Steam fatal error saying Steam needs to be online to update it even when you are connected to the internet. So let's fix it first. So first of all, we would close Steam, right click the Steam icon in your taskbar and click exit, then restart your PC and try opening Steam again. Sometimes it just glitch. So this is the easiest way. And the second one is make sure you are actually online. Open your browser to confirm it. If your internet is fine, then check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes they block Steam. Add Steam as an exceptions in your firewall and antivirus setting. And third number one is try running Steam as an administration. Right click on your Steam shortcut and click as run as administrator. This can solve permission issue blocking updates. And next one is if it is still not working, you just need to refresh Steam's files. You just need to go to the Steam directory and then find everything except steam.exe and the Steam apps and user data folders and delete those files run as steam.exe and it will download basic files without deleting your games. And that's it. All of this fix should get rid of Steam needs to be online to update it. If this helped, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.